Hi, my name is Barbara and I'm the product owner for Batch Hero for Monday, here today to tell you all about it. So, what problem does Batch Hero solve? Well, as we all know, when working with Monday over time, the number of boards in your instance will grow and grow, making it hard to keep an overview, keep them consistent, and manage them efficiently. And Batch Hero is here to help you tackle exactly that challenge by giving you an overview over all your boards in all your workspaces and giving you 3 tools to update them consistently. Where did you find this awesome helper? Well, you can search for it on the marketplace to add it to your instance. The first time you add it to your instance, you will be requested to give it permission to all your boards and workspaces and to add it to one of them to get started. But even after that, you can add it to any workspace of your choice via the Add Item to Workspace menu under Apps. When you add Batch Hero to your workspace, it will be added like a board. So it will be added to the left navigation menu where you can move it around to where you want it and rename it to your liking. The first time you enter a newly added Batch Hero page, it will give you this helpful overview over all its functionality to help you get started.